My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
Yo, what's cracking YouTube? It's me, your host, Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bringing up a sneaker pickup / sneaker review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram all in the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. Alright, so, early review. Happy New Year. It is officially 2025. Well, it's a week after 2025. It is the 9th. This is my first official review of the new year. So, glad to be doing this. Yeah, I don't really have too much I want to say. Excuse me. I'm on my way out right now. It's very windy outside. Well, at least I hear that it's windy outside. So I'm hoping it's not like cold outside. So on my way to the spot to get this shoe so I can give you an early sneaker review of a shoe that drops in 2 days. Wait, today's Tuesday, so it drops Thursday in 2 days, I think, or Friday. I don't know. You know, when I get back out, give y'all some information about it. But yeah, give y'all an early review and hope y'all enjoy it. And I will be back after that to, you know, wrap things up. So stay tuned for that. Okay. We got a new box at last. Y'all know me. Every time I do these Kobe reviews, I always say, damn, they should give us a new box. But I like this blood red with the gold accent in the middle. I like that. I like the way it's shining right there. Kobe signature. Reads Kobe 5 Protro. Y'all see the color right there. Size 9. This is a personal pair. No reseller here. You know what it is. Oh, we got something new with this one too. We got a dust bag and it's like silk or satin or something like that. Got the Kobe logo and the signature right there in the center of it. Let me get this open for y'all so y'all can see it. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, I like that. Presentation is everything for me. Presentation is everything, and this is nice. I got the same white tissue paper with the Kobe logo on it and the snake scales. And let's get this shoe out. 1. Let's get this other one out. 2. All right, boom. Put this away. Close that. Let's set this up. Let's put it up the right way. Set your shoes out. And without further ado, once I get this right, we got the Kobe 5 Protro Year of Mamba. Boom. Okay. We got the Kobe 5 Protro Year of Mamba. Look at this. I like that. I like the little snake scales on the back like that. I like that. I like the gloss. I don't know what that Chinese lettering means on the inside. I probably should look that up. Got that glossy back with the Kobe signature. Look at this. It's like a golden snake wrapped around a Nike swoosh. Details everything. Got the Kobe logo in gold. Got the Nike swoosh on that side too. Black laces. That purple, that eggplant, I like that. Got the outer soles, that translucent, another gold accent of the Kobe logo. Got some black right there. I like this shoe. I do. I mean, I don't know what I could wear. It's kind of loud. I don't know what I would wear it with. What I would wear these with. I like that. Look at the sneakhead right there with the tongue out. I just like that golden snake right there. I don't know the story behind this. I know I'm going to give you some information when I get back to the place, but I like these. What y'all think about this? Let me know. I mean, I like the eggplant purple too. I like that. These are decent. I like that. And I like the red box. So what y'all think about this? Copper drop? Y'all going to get this? I'm on the fence about it. I don't know. Because these are loud. But y'all let me know what y'all think. Would y'all get these or not? I think I'm leaning towards getting them, but let me get some more information for this so I can give y'all some real information. I'll be back. Woo! My God, it is freezing outside. It's not only is it cold, but it's windy. I heard, I live in California, if y'all don't know this, but I live in North Hollywood, so it's a part of California in Palisades. Never been there myself. I think it's up north. I'm not too sure. It could be up south. I don't know. Well, south is down, but I know where it's at. But it's a fire going on right now, and I think it's a brush fire. And what I mean by brush fire is a fire started in one little location, but the winds is pushing the trees and the sparks off that to create more fires on the other trees. I don't know the ins and outs of it, but I heard it's very bad. I hope everybody being safe out there up in Palisades. But it's besides that, it's super windy. Remember I said that this morning when I started this video off, I was like, it sounds like it's windy. It is incredibly windy out there. That is just insane. Anyway, hope y'all enjoyed the early sneaker review of the Kobe 5. These are called the Eggplants, or the what is it, the Mamba? Yeah, I think it's the Mamba. So have not made up my mind yet if I want to get them or not. They drop when they drop the 9th. So what's today's date? Let's see. Is it the 8th? Please don't say today's the 8th. It's day the 8th. Oh, the 7th. So they dropped, Thursday. So I think I said that earlier too. They didn't even drop like either Thursday or Friday. But yeah, hope y'all enjoyed that. So let me get some information like I always do. Sorry if I'm keep on switching my arm, but like my arm get tired with me holding it. But I got some information off of houseofheat.com. Shout out houseofheat.com. I don't really go to them that much, but shout out to them. I'm going to put it up so y'all can read along with me. It should be up right now so y'all can read along with me. It reads, okay, so the release dates, excuse me. Oh, wait. The release date of these for, wait, it says February. I got to check that. I don't think that's right. I don't think that's right. It says February the 9th. 2/9/2005. I don't think that's right though. Anyway, retail price is $190. Color is eggplant, black, metallic, gold. These are the Kobe 5s. All right, so it says as 2025, excuse me. As 2025 aligns with the year of the snake on the Chinese zodiac calendar, Kobe Bryant, excuse me, I'm messing up all my words. Kobe Bryant fans can anticipate a year-long homage to the Black Mamba. This fitting tribute mirrors the late basketball's iconic wisdom, charm, and transformational legacy. Nike is set to celebrate this momentous occasion with a special release within its Kobe footwear line, specifically designed to honor the year of the Mamba. Today we're giving first looks at the Nike Kobe 5 Protro Year of the Mamba. This design showcases an eye-catching transformation with the Nike swoosh morphing into the likeness of a snake, symbolizing Bryant's alter ego on the court. The leaked images suggest this pair may still be in sample stages, as noted by some markings on the sole, yet already captures what's to come. This 2025 release features a striking metallic purple shade across the upper pair, seams with black accents on the heel, interior laces, and swoosh logo. A translucent outsole complements the design, keeping the aesthetics clean and focused on highlighting the golden mamba snake that adorns the exterior, and a touch of elegancy and symbolizes. Sorry, I probably said that completely wrong. Set to drop February 8th, 2025. The Kobe 5 Protro Year of the Mamba will be available in adult and GL sizes. All right, so now that says February 8th. This one up here says, at the top of the screen, it says February 9th. So, I you know what? Hold on. These are more images of it. You see the 8 and 24 on the inside. One thing that I didn't show y'all was that dust bag that comes with it. It has an 8 and 24. I don't think I showed y'all that on in the initial review on this. I apologize for that. But let me stop. Let me close this real quick. The best place to go is sneakers. Sneakers will have like a exact real date for this. Let me just check that real quick. Let's go. Boom. And let's go to sneakers. I see some red ones too. The red ones look nice. I like the red ones. When they drop? These say January 18th. I don't know. It's all bad. Red. Oh, the red is exclusive to China. Wow. Yeah, so the red ones are exclusive only to China. Wow. Okay. Wow. That kind of sucks. But okay, so when do these actually drop? Let me go to Nike. These drop. No. Okay, so it's 1/9. Yeah, I know. So it's not the 8th, it's the 9th. Today's the 7th. I did say that. So it drops on Thursday, like I said. So it drop, yeah. Oh, they 200 too. Look, I wanted that extra $10 or the extra $20 is because of the dust bag in the red box. Because, you know, they always got the black boxes. But anyway. All right. So, what y'all think about this? What y'all think about the Kobe 5 Protro Eggplant or Year to Mamba? Like I said, I'm on the fence about it. I kind of want them. 200 kind of steep. I'm not going to lie. I was like, I did not know they was going to be 200. I thought it was going to be 180. I mean, either way, it was going to be 200 anyway with the tax and everything like that. But y'all let me know if this is a cop or drop. Like I said in the beginning, not the beginning of the video, but beginning of this part of the video, Happy New Year to everybody. Hope everybody have a safe, wonderful 2025. I will be coming with more videos for y'all. I think I'm gonna be doing some vlogging too, because I know in the summer I am going to hit Japan, and I might hit Paris too. I don't know. So anyway, like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sticker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you will be notified. And as always, from me, your host, Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead, representing Tunes. Oh, I gotta close that door. Tunes Kicks, and the whole Tune Squad, and Sweet back there asleep. You know what to do. Have a nice day.